Hello everyone. So our topic is about the systems of linear equations in two variables. So we have three different types of systems of linear equations in two variables. Natin ginatawag nga consistent and independent. Napoy consistent and dependent. And number 3 is inconsistent. So itong hibalon karon unsa ang kalahian anang tulo ka type sa systems of linear equations in two variables. So we'll start with the first type of equation. So we have the consistent and independent. An example of that is kanisiya nga system. We have the two equations x plus y equals 5 and x minus y equals 1. So atong pangitaon ang ilang slope para mahibal-an nato kung unsa ang ilahang kung i-compare nato sila. So let's try to rewrite these equations into the slope-intercept form para dali ra nato ma-identify ang iyahang slope ug ang ilahang y-intercept. So from standard form na ax plus by equals c, ato silang i-rewrite into y equals mx plus b, the slope-intercept form. So let's start with x plus y equals 5. So, ipabilin na to si y. And then, we'll have, bali na to si x, may siyang negative x, and then plus 5. As you can see, we have now the equation in slope-intercept form. Ang iyang slope, or m, the coefficient of x is negative 1, so the slope is negative 1. And b is the constant of the y-intercept, that is 5. So, we'll have now the other equation. We have the x minus y equals 1. So, bilin si negative y. Ibalin na to si x, may mong negative x. And then, we have plus 1, the constant. So, para mayroon siyang positive y, we will multiply this by negative 1. So, we'll have negative 1 times negative y is positive y. That will be equal to negative 1 times negative x. That is positive x, and negative 1 times negative 1 is, times positive 1 is negative 1. So based on this, we have the slope, the coefficient of x is 1, and the y-intercept b is negative 1. So what can you say about their slopes? So nakita nato, the slope of the other equation is negative 1, ang isa is positive 1. So they are not equal. Ang y-intercept po, ang b, so the first y-intercept is 5 and the other is negative 1. They are also not equal. Okay? And for this system, for this type, ang ilahang number of solution ani is only 1. Meaning, kung ato na siyang i-graph, okay, inaani ang iyahang dagway. Kung i-graph nato ng duha ka equation, this is the graph of x plus y equals 5. Kani si x plus y equals 5 and the other line is x minus 1 equals 5. As you can see, there is only one solution. Saan pag-identify? Kung ang point nga nag-intersect sila o nag-cross ang duha ka line, mo na ang solution of that equation. So as you can see, kaisa lang sila nag-intersect, meaning nga pag consistent and independent di ay na system of linear equation in two variables, isa lang ang ilahang intersecting line sila, or there is only one point of intersection, so isa lang ang number of solution. Number of solution is only 1. As to this system, ang ilahang solution ani is unsa nga point. Kung asa sila nag-intersect, mao na ang solution. So we have here, the x is 3 and y is 2. So, ang ilahang solution is 3, 2. So, that means, kung ato na siyang i-substitute diri, it will make the statement or the two equations true. Manatag 3 si x, so we have, kung 3 si x plus y is 2, so 3 plus 2 is 5. Tama. Kung diri po ta sa other equation, 3 si x, so 3 minus 2 si y, that is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So, tama siya. There is only one solution to this equation. That is 3, 2. So, mo na ang consistent and independent type of system. Okay, let's proceed to the next type of system of linear equation. We have now the consistent and dependent. So ato gihapong i-compare, consistent po siya pero dependent na, ganina independent. So atong i-compare gihapon ang slope ug ang y-intercept. So the same sa atong gibuhat kaganina, we will rewrite these equations from standard form. Ax plus b equals c, himuon na po nato siyang slope-intercept form para dali ilang ma-identify ang ilang slope ang ilang y-intercept. So the first equation is 3x plus 2y equals 6. So we have here, bilin si 2y, balin si 3x, so may muning negative 3x, and then plus 6. So we have now atong divide both sides by 2 para mabili na lang si y. So we have here y equals negative 3 over 2, that was negative 3 over 2x. And then 6 divided by 2, that is 3. So ayan. So as you can see, the slope for this is negative 3 over 2 and the y-intercept is 3. So let us try the other equation. So the other equation is 6x plus 4y equals 12. So bilin si 4y, bali nato si 6x, so we have negative 6x then plus 12. So divide both sides by 4. Divide by 4 para mabilin si y. So we have here negative 6 divided by 4 is negative 6 over 4x, then 12 divided by 4, that is 3. So we have here, masimplify pa maning negative 6 over 4. So, mayo muna na siya og, the slope is negative 6 over 4, no? Or that is equal to, ma-divide pa man sila og 2, masimplify pa. So, mayo muna siyang negative 3 over 2. And the y-intercept is 3. So, what can you say about their slopes and their y-intercepts? So, nakita nato nga pareha sila og slope, negative 3 over 2, ang duha ka equation. At the same time, ang ilahang y-intercept equal pod. So, unsa ka, pila kaya ka solution sa inyong tanaw? Yes, that will be infinitely many. Dagan kayo siya solution. Kaya kung ato ni silang i-graph, unsay dagway sa ilahang graph. Ayan. So, makita nato, kani nga line, mo ni si 3x plus 2y equals 6. And the same line is 6x plus 4y equals 12. So that means they are overlapping or coinciding. Nag-coincide sila, nagsapaw silang duha ka line. So, kung unsa ang solution sa isa ka line, mabot ang solution sa isa. So, daghan makainig points. Kani nga line, daghan kini silang points. So, that means infinitely many ang ilang solution kay pareha man sila, nag-coincide man sila. Okay, so kung consistent and dependent, that will be ang ilang graph coinciding. Coinciding graph. No? Nagsapaw, or pwede po nato natawagon ng overlapping. No? Nagsapaw. So meaning, daghan kaayo sila og solution. Pareha sila og solution. Okay, so we will proceed to the third type of system. So we have here inconsistent. O, inconsistent siya. Okay, so an example is, we have 2x minus y equals 5. And 2x minus y equals 3. So same, ato gyapong i-compare ang ilang slope, ang ilang y-intercept. Okay. So himuon nato ni og same kaganina, ang mga equation i-rewrite nato into slope-intercept form. So we have here negative y, balin si 2x, may mong negative 2x plus 5. So we have multiply by negative 1 para ma-positive. So we have y equals negative 1 times negative 2x is positive 2x Negative 1 times 5 is negative 5. So here, the slope is 2 and the y-intercept is negative 5. Okay, sa other equation, we have 2x minus y equals 3. So we have negative y equals, balin si 2x, may mong negative 2x, and then plus 3. So multiply both sides by negative 1 para mo positive si y. So we have, may mo na negative 1 times negative 2x is positive 2x. Then negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. So what is the slope? The slope is positive 2 and the y-intercept is negative 3. So that means pag inconsistent, pareha sila og slope, their slopes are equal, pero ang y-intercept ang dili equal. Diba? Tanawan nato sa atong solution. 1 is ang negative 5 ang y-intercept, ang isa negative 3. Pero ang ilang slope pareha. So pila kaya ang ilang number of solutions? Pila ang ilang solution? So kung tanawon nato, kung i-graph nato silang duha, inani ilang dagway. This line is 2x minus y equals 3. Diba? Pareha sila slope, pareha sila ka steep, pareha sila ka bakilid. Pero lahi sila og y-intercept. So that means pareha gyud sila ka bakilid, dili gyud na sila mag-abot. No, ang distance gikan dire, gilayon ana nila diha, ug kani sila dire hangtod mahuman na lang gyud asa na maabot ng mga line dito sa imo pa nang i-extend, di gyud na sila mag-abot, dili gyud na sila mag-intersect, di gyud sila mag-cross sa usag-usa. Meaning wala gyud sila point of intersection. So that means wala gyud sila solution. Walay pareha nga point, walay isa ka point nga mahimo siyang true sa isa, true pod sa isa. No? So wala sila point of intersection. So there's no solution for inconsistent na type of system of linear equation. So to summarize that, okay, nata diri tabular presentation. So mo na ni ang summary. Okay, so we have the type of system of linear equation. Nata dere ang ilang slope, kung i-compare nato ang slope, dere ang y-intercept, unya dere number of solution, pila ka buok ang solution, unya kani ang graph, unsay dagway sa ilahang graph. So kung consistent and independent, so that means pag dili gani equal ang slope, dili pod equal ang y-intercept, so there is only one solution, so inani ang dagway. No, nag-cross sila or nag-intersect sila. There is only one point of intersection. So, mo nang one ra ang iyahang solution. Pag consistent and dependent, consistent na, dependent pag yun, no? So, klaro kayo, equal ang ilahang slope, equal po ang ilahang y-intercept. So, kung ato nang i-graph coinciding, katong nagsapaw, so meaning infinitely many ang ilahang solutions. Tanang point sa isa ka line, pareha pod sa isa ka line. And the last type is the inconsistent. Inconsistent, pareha og slope, pero lahi sila y-intercept. Number of solution wala, kay kung imo na siya i-graph, parallel na sila, di gyud na sila mag-intersect. Parallel ang tawag ana nila sa ilahang graph. Okay? So that would be the system of linear equations in two variables. So hopefully, namin nakatunan and you will answer the activity provided at the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching and see you sa next na mga videos. Bye!